Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the Edkalai. Today we are discuss about the UGC NET paper 1 first unit, which is research aptitude. So this is the first part of our first unit. We need to discuss today the topic under the research aptitude are what is research, the meaning of research, and the difference between research methods and research methodology. Let's start. First, we need to know what is research. Actually, research has a particular process, we can say. This is a scientific methods where we can solve any problem. Research has been defined in a number of different ways, and while there are similarities, there does not appear to be a single definitions about the research. So, of course, it is a creative and systematic activity undertaken in order to increase the stock of knowledge, including knowledge of man, culture, and society, and the use of this knowledge to devise new application. Research. Search means to find something, re means again. So, find again and again, it's called research. Of course, it is a process where steps used to collect and analyze the informations to increase the understanding of a particular topic or a particular issue, or we can say a problem. It consists of several steps by collecting data, analyze data to find out the problem, formulating hypothesis, and answer the questions or discuss the results. So, of course, it is in our one words we can say research is a systematic scientific process to find out the new knowledge, to establish the new invention. Into the next slide. So now we need to know that the purpose of research. So from researcher are constantly trying to find new ways to understand the world and how things work, with the ultimate goal of improving our lives. As if I am taking the example of COVID-19, which totally devastated our life, the situations of the world. So after when we know about this coronavirus, we don't know about the treatment of corona. We did not have the vaccines to protect, or we did not have the proper medicines to protect the people from this COVID-19. But several research took place in several time, and after that the doctors, the scientists are trying to fight against COVID-19 virus or coronavirus. They are providing several medicines which reduce the effect of this coronavirus. They are established the vaccines. They are trying to find out the proper solutions. They are giving the suggestions of the ample of precautions to to save ourselves from this novel coronavirus. As we all know that research we are making for a particular purpose, so definitely when something occurs, some issues are created, we are doing research. Based on our research we can give in the answer, we can finding the solutions. As I am previously discussed about the example of coronavirus. So definitely the purpose of research is therefore to find out what is known, what is not, and what we can develop further. In this way, the scientists can develop new theories, ideas, and products that shape our society and our everyday life. Of course, it's provide there are several potentiality and new approaches. It's make people understand that what we should do, what we should not do, what we need to like represent, what the scientific inventions need to recover the society. So these are the things which is one of the major purpose of research. Then definitely set the pragmatic goals. So if we are doing some research, we have some pragmatic goals, we need to develop the strategies, we cope up with every challenges, we need to expansion the plan, and definitely we find out the new opportunities. So the purpose of research is to further understand the world and learn how this knowledge can be applied to better everyday life. It is an integral part of the problem solving. The main purpose of research are to inform actions, gather evidences for the theories, and contribute to developing knowledge in the field of study. The several articles discuss about the several issues on research. They given the proper idea of particular problem, particular topic, and particular incidents. We can generate the proper idea about this particular topic. So understanding that part of things that research is important might seem like a no-brainer, but many people avoid it like a plague. So yet for those who like to learn, whether they are members of a research institutions or conducting research, is not just important, it's imperative. The purpose of research is broad, and it's try to solve or to give the new dimensions of our everyday life. So now came to the next questions, that is there any difference between the research methods and research methodology? Now we need to know what is research methods and what is research methodology. So research methods are the techniques and tools by which you research a subject or a topic, whereas research methodology involves the learning of various techniques to conduct research and acquiring knowledge to perform tests, experiments, surveys, and critical analysis. Research can be understood as the systematic and rigorous search for the appropriate information on the specific subject. So there are many differences between research methods and methodologies. Research methods implies the methods employed by the researcher to conduct research. On the other hand, research methodology signifies the way of efficiency solving the research problem. Second is behavior and instrument used in the selections and constructions of the research techniques. If I am taking an example of questionnaire, schedule survey, so these are the research tools which is used in research methods to collect the data. But on the other hand, science of understanding how research is performed methodically, this is the part of research methodology. Research methods carrying out experiment, test, surveys, and so on. But research methodology study different techniques which can be utilized in the performance of experiment, test, and surveys. As if I'm a researcher of social science, I want to differentiate between some parameter. May I apply it for the chi-square test? May I apply it for the multivariate analysis? So which analysis is appropriate for particular data which I have represent. So these are the part of research methodology. Now in the research method, different investigation techniques are there, but in the research methodology, entire strategy towards achievement of objective. Then research methods is discover solution to research problem, but research methodology to apply correct procedure so as to determine the solution. So these are the difference between research and research methodology. Of course, the scope of research methodology is wider than the research method, as the latter is the part of the former. So for understanding the research problem thoroughly, the researcher should know the research methodology along with the research methods. So research can be understood as a systematic and rigorous search for the appropriate information on the specific subject. It involves enunciations of the problem, developing a hypothesis, collecting and analyze data, and drawing conclusions based on the facts and data collection. And to do so, the researcher use research methods during the course of conducting research. So these are the today's discussions. If you have any queries regarding this particular analysis, you can ask these queries in the comment sections. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.